alcoholic beverage. Alcoholic beverage are produced by fermentation of high carbohydrates foods such as grains, fruits, and other vegetables. So what is distilled spirits? Distilled spirits are made from the distillation of ethanol after the process of fermentation. So what are those examples of fermented alcoholic beverage? So the example is beer, and the other one is wine. So beer is made up of fermented grains, and then wines is made up of fermented grapes. So what are those examples of distilled spirits? So the example of distilled spirits are rum, which is made from distilled sugar cane.